The Greener portable pressure washer delivers an impressive cleaning power with 1,900 pounds per square inch and 1.8 gallons per minute, making it ideal for tackling stubborn dirt on various surfaces. Despite its powerful performance, this pressure washer is incredibly lightweight, weighing just 10 pounds, which makes it easy to transport and use anywhere you need cleanup. Equipped with advanced spray nozzle technology, the washer allows you to adjust the spray pattern from a wide fan to a narrow jet, giving you precise control over your cleaning tasks. User-friendly and straightforward, the Greener pressure washer is designed for easy operation and maintenance with an IPX5 waterproof rating, ensuring optimal functionality with minimal effort. The inclusion of a 25-foot pressure hose and an 8-foot power cord, along with a soap cannon, offers flexibility and a range of accessories that enhance the cleaning experience. Safety is a priority with this washer, featuring a total stop system that automatically shuts off the pump when not in use, and a safety lock to prevent accidental activation.